I don't think you got me a shirt. AP not coming? Dan had to work.
What's going on, guys? Good morning. We are heading down finally to the 10th annual Focus Fest in Daytona. It's not really a Focus Fest, it's Focus Meet. But this is the one that didn't start the channel, but it's like the second video in. And I've been looking forward to going back ever since. And unfortunately, AP and also Trent couldn't go down. But got my buddy Max over here, and Sue and her ST. She actually went last year. Actually, both of you guys went last year. And yeah, not even close to there yet. And check this out. Already stuck in traffic. So this will be fun. Super fun. Oh, we have to get over again. Great. There's Sue. If I can focus. Yep, there she is. So yeah, we're gonna try to navigate out of this mess and make it down in time before they leave, because we meet at a Publix first as a group and then head down to the beach. So hopefully we make it in time.
We're here. Finally.
Yes, we have made it to the beach meet. So I hope that was enough coverage. Max did a lot of the filming, so you see a lot of his stuff. Got the award ceremony done, had lunch. Didn't win anything this time. Maybe next year or later this year if we go to the one in Tampa. So see you guys next time.